Hey, what is up guys? Are you looking to upgrade your Amazon Fire TV stick, Android box, or tablet with the ultimate streaming setup? In today's video, TechVibes is going to show you how to install the fully loaded Xenon build on Kodi 21.3. This massive update will give you instant access to free movies, TV shows, sports, and live pay-per-view events. It only takes a few minutes to complete the whole process. Sit tight, because I am going to show you how to do everything right now. Step 1 is to download the Downloader Utility application. Use the search tool on your home screen and type in the letters DN. Select the Downloader app and click Download to install it. Do not open the application yet. Press the home button on your remote. Step 2 is to unlock your hidden developer options. Go to your settings menu and select My Fire TV. Click on the About section. Highlight your main device name line and click the center button on your remote exactly 7 times. A pop-up will appear saying you are now a developer. Hit the back button once and open the brand new Developer Options menu. Turn on ADB debugging. Click on Install Unknown Apps and turn the setting for the Downloader app to on. Step 3 is to install the custom App Store portal. Open the Downloader app from your home screen. Move your cursor to the URL box and type in the web address for the official portal website. Scroll down and click the box that says Download APK Android. Click Install when the pop-up appears and then click Done. Delete the installation file to save storage space. Go back to your settings, open My Fire TV, select Developer Options, and click Install Unknown Apps. Turn the setting for the new Portal Installer app to on. Both Downloader and this new application must be set to on. Step 4 is to secure your device for smooth streaming. Return to your home screen and open the new Portal Installer app. Type out your custom library code to access the TechVibes app selection screen. Click the center button 2 times to enter the main store interface. Before we download any entertainment applications, we need to protect your privacy. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Highlight the Secure Network tool in the store, click Download, and then click Install. This application is crucial because it stops your internet provider from blocking your video streams. Step 5 is to install Kodi 21.3. Look for the Kodi app inside the library. Click on it and select Download. Make sure you download version 21.3 because the build runs much better on it than the newer version 22. Click Install App and then click Install one more time to finish the process. Once the installation is finished, return to your home screen. Open your NordVPN application first and log in with your credentials using the link provided below in the description and pinned comments. Connect to a secure server. Once the status lights up green, open the Kodi application. Click Continue and click Allow to let the app prepare for its first run. Step 6 is to configure Kodi and load the Xenon build. Click the gear icon in Kodi and open the system box. Go to Add-ons and turn on Unknown Sources. Go back once and open File Manager. Click Add Source, type out the repository web address exactly as it appears on your screen, and name it Digs123. Go back to the main Kodi screen, select the Add-ons tab, and click the open box icon. Select Install from zip file, click Digs123, and select the Digs repo zip file. Next, select Install from repository, click Digs repository, open Program, Add-ons, and install Chef Wizard. Open the Chef Wizard prompt, click Build menu, select Digs AIO free, and click Continue. Once it finishes downloading, click OK to force close Kodi. Reopen Kodi and let the system load silently for 1 minute. Scroll over and click on Choose Your Skin. Select Digs Xenon 2 from the list and click Yes. If it gets stuck at 97%, go to your Fire Stick settings, clear the cache, force stop Kodi, and try again. Once the skin loads, select Choose a flavor, click the Digs Xenon 2 free version, and click Continue. The app will force close one last time. Relaunch Kodi and wait for the interface to update completely. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button right now. Subscribe to TechVibes so you do not miss the next tech update. Make sure to leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts, and I will see you all in the next video.